What's up, RAF gang? Another episode of RAF Eats. Now we're at a place called Stella's in Forest Lake, Minnesota. This is my favorite chicken wing place. I'm about to show you guys. Let's go. Let's check out the menu of Stella's. Starters, soup and salad, appetizers, dry jerk rubs, what I'm getting, burgers, steak and chips, seafood and chicken, pasta. Stella's is also a golf course. Nice greens out there. Go ahead and putt and come on in and eat. Nice. Well guys, the wings have arrived. They're as glorious as I remember. I cannot wait to take that first bite. This is Rex's. Rex, are you excited for these wings? Get ready, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, we are about to take our first bite. We're going to dunk it in this ranch sauce here. Oh man. I went with the dry rub jerk. As you can see, the seasoning is wonderfully flaked on there. Not spicy. Let's go ahead and get this first bite. These are my favorite wings of all time. Guys, look at how juicy. Cooked to perfection. Crispy, perfect seasoning. I love it. Look at this boy right here. How are these wings, son? They're good.
They're worth the extra 5 miles you're going to have to run.
Definitely worth the half-hour drive to come here.
And the extra 5 miles you're going to have to run.
Here we go again. I love chicken wings. Oh my god. As for the main course, I decided to go with this smokestack burger. It says bacon, cheese, smoked ham, some lettuce, nice bun, and I upgraded to the these are the sweet potato fries, guys. Look at that color. Oh man, I'm diving in, guys. This is just heaven right here, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Oh, the wifey got a steak. Rex got a burger with the fried egg on top. Very nice, bud. Mm-hmm. Let's go. Okay, RAF gang, here we go for this burger. Here we go. An explosion of flavor with the meat and the ham and the bacon. Wow. Sweet potato fries, guys. Lightly crispy, delicious. Cooked all the way. Fantastic, guys. Second bite.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Let's get some Rex.
So guys, I got some egg right here, fried egg, and I got pickle. Oh yeah.
All right, man. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, I'm always getting egg. I'm always getting egg.
That's your dad.
Told you.
That's your dad.
Egg is the best in the burger. We had a detour at the last second. We are ordered a chocolate cake. Chocolate cake, my goodness. We're diving in. Chocolate cake going in. Soft, fluffy, moist chocolate cake.
I just want a little.
That is fantastic cake.
Or not.
Woo. The dessert is good too, guys. All right, RAF gang, this is the finishing bite here. We have completed the plates. Rex is good. We got take home. Yeah, Stella's is fantastic bar restaurant. golf course. If you're in Forest Lake area, definitely check it out. Thumbs up for me for the chicken wings, good burger, good service, all that great stuff. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share to see you in the next RAF Eats. Peace out.